all of you. My name is Saraj Sarkar from Aditya Center Vidyapeeth Mount Abu. Today we are going to teach you mathematics of class 9 and today's topic is linear equation in two variable. In linear equation in two variable earlier classes we got to do about the standard form of linear equation. Now today find the solution of the equations. This is the equation x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. This is the equation. So for what value of x and y this equation satisfies, that means that point through that point this line passing through, that we have to find out. That means if we represent this in a graph, that will represent a straight line. So first we find the solution of the equation. So how to solve this? First we represent one variable in terms of another variable. We write here x is equal to something, that means 3y will shift at that place plus 3y, shifted that place, that will be minus 3y, and 9 will shifted that place, that means right hand side, so this will be plus 9, so this 9 shifted plus 9 minus 3y, x is equal to plus 9 minus 3y. This equation become like this. These are the same equation, but represent one variable in terms of another variable. We can do in 3y also, 3y this side and x on right hand side, that also we can do, but it is easier to solve when, because only x is here, there is no coefficient, so only 1 is the coefficient. So x is equal to 9 minus 3y. Now what we do, we put values, arbitrary values of 1, 2, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 in such a way. That means 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 3, 2, in such a way values we put in place of y and we find the value of x. Suppose we put y equal to when, this is written when y equal to 0, if we put y equal to 0, y equal to 0, y equal to 0, if we put in place of y equal to 0, that means x is equal to 9 minus 3 into 0, 0, so x is equal to 9. So if we put y equal to 0, if we put y equal to 0, then we get the value x equal to 9. So this is the solution, x equal to 9, y equal to 0. Now when y equal to 1, if y equal to 1, then we write in place of y, we write 1. In place of y, we write 1. So 9 minus 3 into 1, so 9 minus 3, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So when we put y equal to 1, that time we get x is equal to 6. When y is equal to 2, if we put in place of y 2, because 3y, so 3 into 2. So 9 minus 3 into 2, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So that means if we put x is equal to 9 minus 3 into 2 in place of y into 2, so then 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So then if we put y equal to 2, then we get x is equal to 3. In such a way, we can find so many values and we can solve this. And we find the solution. Actually, for the graph, we need 3 solutions. So I have taken 3 solutions, or you also take, or you find 3 solutions of the equations. That may be decimal, but it is better to take integer form. Okay, it is not like that always you take 1, 2, 3, 4. You can take minus 1 also. Suppose x is equal to given, x is equal to 9 minus 3 into, in place of y, you write minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1. If you write y is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to minus 1. 9 minus 3 into minus 1. So 9 minus, and 9 minus 1 is plus 3. So this will be 12. So if y is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 12. So y is equal to minus 1. This is equal to 12. So this is another solution. So we can find so many solutions. It is not compulsory that always put plus value. You can put minus value also and you find the solution. We need 3 solutions for one equation. Another example is here. 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now we shift minus 3y from this side to that side. So 3y minus left hand side to right hand side, 3y and 6. So this will be plus 3y and minus 6. So x is equal to, this 2 will be divided, 3y minus 6 upon 2. Now we in place of y, we put the values. If we put y equal to 0, then 3 into 0, because y, 3y minus 6 upon 2, 3y minus 6 upon 2, x equal to 3 into 0 minus 6 upon 2, 3 into 0 means 0. So 0 minus 6, 0 minus 6 means 6, minus 6 upon 2 is minus 3. So if we put y is equal to 0, then we get x is equal to, we get minus 3. Now when y is equal to 1, if we put y is equal to 1, then 3 into 1 minus 6 upon 2. So this is 3, 3 1 into 1, 3, 3 minus 6 upon 2, 3 minus 6 means minus 3 upon 2, minus 3 upon 2 means minus 1.5. So this is become minus 1.5. So we can write, if y is equal to 1, then x is equal to minus 1.5. That we can write. When y is equal to 2, then 3 into 6. Because in place of y, this is 3y. 3 into y minus 6. So 3 into y means 3 into 2, because y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. We put y is equal to 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. 0 upon 2 is 0. Then if we put y is equal to 2, then we get x value. Then we get x value is 0. Y is equal to minus 2. If we put y is equal to minus 2, then this will be 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 minus 6, minus 12. Minus 12 upon 2, that is minus 6. So if y is equal to minus 2, then x is equal to minus 6. If we put y is equal to 4, then 12. 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 means 6. 6 upon 2 is 3. Y is equal to 4, then this is become 3. So in such a way we can find many solutions, but generally we find 3 solutions. And generally we take the integer form, not this type of form. Only this type of form we take so that will be easier to plot on the graph. We take another example. Y minus 2x is equal to 1. This is another equation. Y minus 2x is equal to 1. This is another equation. And in this equation, we shift 2x that side. So this will be plus 2x. So y is equal to 2x plus 1, because if we shift one term from left hand to right hand, that will become sign change. So this is minus sign. So this is here, it comes as a plus sign. Now here we put in place of x, we put the value. This is x. In place of x, we put the values. In place of x, we put the values. Now if x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 into 1 means 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. If y is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to 2 into minus 1 plus 1, that is minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. As we find the values, we also write the values in this table format. Means this is the solution table format, where if x is equal to 1, now we write x is equal to 1. Then y is equal to, we get 3. If x is equal to minus 1, if x is equal to minus 1, then this is become minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to also minus 1. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 4 plus 1, that is 5. So if x is equal to 2, this is 5. So in such a way, if x is equal to minus 2, then we find in minus 2. So minus 2, minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3. You can put x equal to 0 also. If x equal to 0, now look, if x equal to 0, then in place of x you write 0. In place of x, so then y is equal to 2 into 0. Because in place of x you write 0, because x is equal to 0. In place of x you write 0. 0 plus 1. So 2 into 0 means 0. 0 plus 1 means 1. So if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So in such a way we find 3 solutions. So some questions I have given you. You look here. X plus y is equal to 10. 4x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0. 2y minus x is equal to 8. And 5y minus x is equal to 14. So these are the equations. You solve this equation. You can change this equation in such a way. Look here. I am giving you one this one particularly. 2y minus x is equal to 8. Then 8 will be shifted here. X will be that side. So 2y minus a is equal to x. Now you put y equal to value 0, 1, minus 1, 2 and find the value of x. Here also you take x that side or take this side. Here you take both of these that side and divided by 4. Here also you take any one of these and then you find. So in such a way you complete and find the solutions.